205 Renault wanted to build the ultimate hot hatch from the second generation Clio. To do so, the company decided to install a 3.0-litre DOHC V6 in a midship arrangement into the family hatchback, since there wasn't enough room to accommodate such a large power plant under the hood. This engine is the same found in the company's upscale model, the Laguna. It produces 230 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute, and an impressive 221.3 lb-ft of torque at 3,750 revolutions per minute. Shifting is performed via a slick 6-speed manual gearbox. The large power output made the Clio Renault Sport V6 the prototypical point and squirt car because it possessed both excellent acceleration, especially at the low end of the RPM spectrum, and remarkable nimbleness. The suspension system consisted of specially designed struts, and when combined with the grip provided by its wide tires 205/50R17 up front and 235/45R17 at rear, the little Renault stuck to the road surface through corners. The transformation from little family hatch into a mid-engine sports car was amazing. A slightly redesigned Sport V6, called Phase 2, appeared at the Paris Motor Show in October 2002. Power for the engine was bumped up to 251 HP at 7,150 revolutions per minute and 221.3 lb-ft of torque. The suspension geometry was also revised, and, when combined with an additional subframe at the rear, the car handled better than the original. It also featured larger 18-inch wheels and a more aggressive front fascia.